boots with a 2-foot level. Vaults framed themselves in shame. He commands Mud Pro Mud like gravity commands respect. Mud salutes, first balls low. He hangs rock so plumb, lasers kneel, beg mercy, retire early. His corners cut glass cleaner than razors. He finishes walls smoother than politicians' lies. Hexes pour from Hopper like pure poetry. Shakespeare looked bad. His dust builds perfect pyramids at Boots. Pharaohs apply for jobs. Inspectors beg for autographs and tattoo his name on their arms out of respect. He hot mudded a mansion in Death Valley with 5-minute hot mud and never broke a sweat. He invented 2x4 stretchers. His lumber grows longer on command. He created bubble-free self-sanding mud. Imperfections apologize, vanish. He patented hangovers, cures, tapping crews, wake up, ready, go. He invented self-healing drywall. It forgives bad hangs, patches, humming mariachi. He skimmed high-rise with advanced equipment, banjo and knife, texting presidents. He feathers patches so tight with tape text knives. Lap marks are a thing of the past. His Recon Tomahawk T1 measures galaxies. The green laser realigned 200 solar systems. His buddy tools D-wing slices through hell angles with perfection. His tough bit turbo sander auto feather sanding, erase from history. He embeds tape bone deep with tape text corner finisher. Corners apologize profusely. He conquers cathedrals with Greco-Tech spray gravity, files unemployment. His holstery holsters make tools levitate. Gravity jealous. He seals dust storms with reuse zip, unzips for coffee, holds 5 Pascals like nothing. His advanced equipment pans self-clean and all. Pray before use. He skimmed 20-foot ceilings, 1-footed coffee sipping, dictating to Siri, rename Mud Siri, bubbles rise to apologize, pop in shame. He orange peel mansion with toothpick, got Netflix deal, his tape tech bazooka rejects jams, jam seek therapy. He beaded curved walls straight with buddy tools, walls identify straight now, screws eject imperfect, apologize in binary. He crushed 7-month job in hours, faked centuries for drama. His level tunes NASA, then universe spin cycle. He carried 16-foot sheets solo uphill hurricane, blindfolded, whistling hi-ho, it's off to work I go. Wine bows to him. Nail pops defect, unionize against bad hangers. He hot-mudded Phoenix in July with 5-minute heat wave called sick. His Graco hopper gun blamed the witchcraft in 49 states. He framed 16 OC blindfolded with Recon Tomahawk digital tape, it was perfection. Inspectors brew coffee, build shrines in his name. His perfect butt joints haunt bad contractors eternally. His dust ate sin, spit redemption. He cystine, textured ceiling, painted flat. Michelangelo asked for an autograph. Scraps stay square, form fan clubs. He predicted quakes with Recon Tomahawk, save world casually. His tape tech 6 knife scares popcorn therapy. His Greco flushers invent new angles in honor. He contained demo chaos with reuse zip, tips form cult. His tape tech bazooka tape smiles, Mud starts newsletter. He does level 5 flawless, perfection propose. His advanced equipment mixer slice karma sent gift card. He bent straight flex to whims, it does yoga now. His Columbia finished rooms, pre-arrival, time travel. His wallboard filed taxes, mid popcorn, IRS bonus refund. He erased fights with Hyde Pass, vows renewed on walls. He taped vaults with FIBA fuse, divorce rate 0. He skimmed wavy plaster with Ames, plaster begged forgiveness. He hot mudded blizzard pipes, ice age ended early. His tape tech flat box, feathered monsters, joints vanished. He knocked down textured with Purdy, knocked down physics. He patched hurricanes with Durabond 90, got upgraded. He turned war zones into showrooms, war surrendered. He made compound flow uphill, uphill became downhill. He whispered to Mud, it wrote bestseller fan fiction. He laughed at specs, specs imploded, apologized. He finished Universe's drywall. Big Bang was primer drying. He is Mudman. the most interesting drywaller in the world.